Welcome to AL Language Cafe, where we learn Chinese the fun way. In this video series, we'll practice a set of characters together. You can download the free worksheets in the description to follow along. Then we have 一个大杯子，一个大杯子 a big cup. Next character, 坏 坏 坏 is another character that looks very similar to the bay we practiced earlier. The difference is the radical on the left. To learn more about what these radicals mean, please refer to the practice book. To write 坏, start with a short horizontal stroke on the left, then a short vertical stroke, then a rising stroke. Notice that the character doesn't take up the entire horizontal space on the left. Then on the right side, we write 不. 坏 means bad or broken. Let's take a look at a bad example. If we write the character on the left really long and have it take up the entire space, then it doesn't look good from a calligraphy point of view. However, it is still a correct character. To write a correct and pretty looking 坏, write the 2 a bit smaller on the left side. Keep it up, you are almost there. Now let's make phrases with our newly practiced characters and words. Our first phrase is 杯子坏了，杯子坏了. The cup is broken. Don't these characters look fun? See how 悲 and 坏 are similar. 子 and 了 are very similar looking too. But this also means that you have to pay extra attention when you are practicing writing them.